So welcome back to another episode of video. We're gonna unbox these guys. This one is batch 15, yung isa 16. 16. Basta I forgot. Anyways, unbox na natin to. Binuksan ko na siya kasi ayun, cute ko talaga. Marami-rami tayong cards na i-expose. Yung iba dito is personal. I think I got 3 cards na personal. So guys, let's move. Yes, we have another stack here, and we have another here. So total of, I forgot. Anyways, baba natin ng konti. Yan, para makita nyo lahat ng PSAs natin. 9 natin dito sa first stack. Uy, ito yung akin guys. Ito yung na-pull ko this year, my birthday. So, every year nag-open akong pack simula 2023. Yeah, yung 2023 kung na-pull is Celebration Charizard. So, nabenta ko na yung sayang. Pero yung sumunod nun, 2024 at saka 2025 na pull ko. So, ito yun yung una. 2025. Baggy English. Yun yung inopen ko last year. This year, January. And it got a PSA 10. Not bad. I think akin din to. This one is Sabo. Ito yung na-pull ko nung 2024. So, leader. Kala ko Luffy makukuha ko. Pero leader lang yung nakuha ko. Pero okay na. Si Sabo pa rin yan. And a PSA 10. So, natuwa naman ako sa dalawang kong card na nakuha. Next. Uy, Umbreon. Ay, Vaporeon ulit. Japanese. And yung nakarang video, diba? Puro 10 yung sequential. Ay, hindi ko alam kung ano yung unahin kong i-upload, ito or yung kanina. Or yung isa. Anyways guys, abangan nyo na lang kung ito yung mauuna or yung isa. And it got a PSA 10. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Next card is Glaceon. And a PSA 10. Magaganda talaga yung mga Japanese cards guys. So, kung may Japanese cards kayo, probably PSA 10 din yan. Oy! PSA 10. Next. Isa Surging Spark Pikachu. PSA 9. So, ano bang problema nito? May whites. May dumi din. May dumi din sa card. So, PSA 9 na yan. May dumi. Next is what the heck? PSA 9 din to. May 1, 2, may 3 dots. Buti hindi siya nag-8. Next is PSA 10. So guys, nagmamahal na yung mga trainer gallery. So trainer gallery lang to guys, pero mahal. Silver Tempest. Next is Pikachu. PSA 10 from Pokemon Go. Teens. So promo card siya. Not bad. Next is another Surging Spark Pikachu. PSA 9. 1, 2. So, dalawa yung dot niya. Sayang, di pa nag-10. Next card is Charizard from... May dumi din to, kaya pala nag-9. PSA 9. Ayan, no? May whites din siya. Next card is Charizard. PSA 9. So, kakarak natin ito. Papasubmit niya ulit. Next is Salamence PSA 10. Joke lang, 9. Paano kaya nag-9 to? Malinis to ah. May 1 dot. And Pikachu. PSA 9 din to. Hirap naman ipag-grade ng mga ganito. May whites din siya sa baba. So, pag may whites yung mga cards nyo guys, pwede naman pumasok pero huwag kayong asa mag-10. Mahirap. Dahil mahal na ito. And this one is PSA 9 Bubble Mew. So, anong problema naman itong Bubble Mew? 1, 2. May dalawa siyang whites. Yeah, and line. Then, next is a PSA 10. Ang linis talaga nito guys. PSA 10. Nice one. Next one is Houndoom PSA 7. Madami kasi siyang scratches. Kaya siguro nag 7 to. Team Magmas. Next is Gengar PSA 10. Grabe naman, panis. Gengar Bolt. Next is the Gengar Balloon, a PSA 8. Guys, PSA 8 nito is 850k, 55,000. What the heck? Damn it. 55k. Another Charizard, a PSA 9. So, last is a PSA 10 na Perrin. Grabe, dalawang nag-9 na. Bulbasaur, a PSA 10. Nice one. Mahirap i-grade yung mga IR guys. Kaya magka-10 ka lang. Sulit na. Mew, PSA 10. Nice one. Nice one. Next one. A PSA 10 Dito's Project Stamp Fly. Next one is Sylveon V-Star, a PSA 10. Then another one is Professor Lecture. So, PSA 10. Ay, 7 pala. Ba't kaya? Next one is a PSA 9. Kiran. So, ilan lang yung nagte-10 natin guys ha. Type Lotion, a PSA 10. Nice one. Mabomas Tip PSA 10 again. Then Snorlax V, a PSA 10. Nice. It's piling up. A Green Ninja EX PSA 9. So hindi sa atin to pero malinis ha. Hindi, may tatlong whites. 9. Not bad. Then, ang Cinchas Garchomp, a PSA 10. Linis. Next one is Leafeon, a PSA 10. So, ito alam ko na. My first ever Pokemon card. PSA 1. So, ito yung binigay ni kuya ko nung bata ako. Ayan guys. Nag-fade na lahat-lahat. Pinagrade ko pa rin. Para lang may slab. Siyempre, di ba? Ayan. Last card is Mewtwo PSA 10. Ganda ng pile natin dun, guys. Angas-angas. So, if may balak kayo magpag-grade, guys, you can contact me at Kel Santos or you scan the QR above. And QR above. Nasanay kasi ako sa mga shorts. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!